kami ni Congressman Frasco, nag-join kami ni Duke dyan dahil pinupush talaga niya yan sa Kongreso. And I'm fully aware that some of the wealthier, bigger LGUs nag-umpisa na sa libreng libing dahil alam naman natin talagang malaking gastos yan, lalo na para sa mga mahihirap na pamilya. Umiiyak na yan, nagluluksa, namatayan na, namumroblema pa kung paano babayaran yung libing. So, ang ginawa namin is na fast break namin yung bill na ang gagawin, ang kada funeral establishment will have a contract with the DSWD and each one of them is obliged to have an indigent burial package. So, pinakamura yan, 10,000, 20,000. And magpirmahan sila ng DSWD. Pag may ganyan, anybody who's qualified, those who are under the poverty threshold or are considered to be in crisis because of death in the family, illness, loss of work, and so on, will be qualified to avail. And then the DSWD will automatically pay if you're on the list.